James Compton with James Compton Customs. Today we're going to be installing our battery kit. Consists of a billet battery box that weighs about 10.5 ounces, and then a Shirai 8-cell lithium battery that only weighs just at 1.5 pounds. So together you're just over 2 pounds for the entire assembly, and you're replacing the stock OEM lead cell battery that weighs over 10 pounds. So pretty considerable weight savings. And the other advantage to it is you can get rid of all the under tray stuff under here, and all that is also weight savings. I don't know exactly what it weighs, but the other benefit of it is when you have your bodywork mounted and all this area is open, it makes the bike look lighter, higher in the back, more aggressive. It's a nice little custom option for you, as well as saving a lot of weight and improving your power to weight ratio. Before we go much further, I also want to point out this kit will not work with the stock airbox. A lot of the parts we have developed for our race bikes, and this is one of them. A lot of guys on the street are running open carbs or carbs with pod filters. This kit will work fine with that. Once your airbox is out of the way, this kit will bolt right in. So before we mount the battery box, I'm going to go ahead and put the tank back on so you can see exactly what you're going to end up with once you get done. Okay, so when you take your seat off, you just pull the two bolts that were originally securing the back of your tank out, and take your two new fasteners that come with your kit, slide it right in. So once you've got your mountings hardware in, your battery will just slide right through, snaps into place, and then you just got to hook up your negative and positive leads. The one thing that you do have to do with this kit, the negative, the ground strap that's going down to the motor is originally mounted to this bolt right here. You're going to want to take that bolt out, pull your ground strap, put that bolt in, torque it up, and then relocate it to the bolt that's located down in this well right here. It gives you a little extra lead, and that way it'll reach the negative terminal on the battery, no problem. So the question I get most about these little lithium batteries is, what about charging them? So the batteries work fine with your stock charging system that's on the bike. They charge just fine on a trickle charger. The thing you want to be aware of is you don't want to use any more than a 2 amp charge when you're running these. If you turn it up past that, you can damage the battery, and then you've lost a $150 battery. Every battery that gets shipped out, before we ship them out, we put them on a specific lithium battery charger and make sure they're fully charged and they're all good to go. So when you receive your kit, it's charged, you can bolt it on, hook up your leads, and enjoy your new lighter ZRX. So one of the advantages to running this battery is getting a more advantageous power to weight ratio. Some of the common areas, obviously the stock exhaust is super heavy. Going with an aftermarket exhaust is a huge weight savings. And then the wheels are another huge one. There are a lot of things on this bike that can use some attention as far as weight reduction goes. The battery is a very easy one. All these little things add up to a big whole. This is a 500-pound motorcycle in stock trim. When we get done with one, they typically weigh in the low 390s, and that's without any titanium or getting too exotic. That's with a standard weight crank. So there we can get them even lighter if we really try, but that's just one of the many things that we do to create a more performance-oriented ZRX. I hope this video was helpful. Please keep your questions coming, and we'll keep making cool parts and videos for you guys. We appreciate you as always. Thanks for your business and your continued interest in these bikes. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss anything that we're doing, and it helps us out, keeps us inspired. Thanks again, and have a great day.